Adventures. My name is CalCal. I'm CanCan.
And I'm Daddy, and today the girls are going to be doing some toy reviews from a few toys that they got from Walmart. Girls, are you ready?
Yeah! Let's go! So let's open it.
All right, what are you guys opening?
We are opening Smitten Kitten.
All right, let's see what we got here. I want you to tell them how hard it is to open or if it's easy.
It has a little thing where you can tear it, so it's pretty easy. It's not that hard. It's like you're opening it LOL. Yeah. If you've ever had this before, they're like little dolls. Have you guys ever had these before? Like it if you have. And comment down below.
I think you actually might be able to leave comments now.
Yes.
If not, just let us, or I don't know how you're going to let us know.
Or like.
Yeah. But I think I was able to get them to where you can leave comments.
And make sure you hit that bell button when you're ready.
Facts.
Right now, I'm struggling. This is good.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Open them up. Look at that. Ooh, let's see it.
It is so adorable.
It is adorable. Is it soft?
Yeah.
Smooth? See how smooth it is. Rub on it.
Ooh,
Give it a pet
the
it.
sound.
Oh, it makes sounds?
You have to put batteries in it.
Oh, I didn't know that. So we'll have to get some batteries.
Oh,
What size batteries you got? Oh, let's look at yours. Well, you got like a Siamese cat.
I love it.
That's cute.
This is a cute cat. Oh my
Look,
gosh.
they got an apple juice in there. Little. They had to move it so we could record the video.
Oh.
Hey,
They
you got to
have
use your bins for
stickers.
anything. Oh, you got stickers to put on it?
Yeah.
What kind of batteries do we need?
It says. I don't know. Yes, it comes with a bottle. It comes with a mini bottle.
It's got a little mini bottle. Let's see.
Ooh, what is
Pet it. Does it soft?
Yeah, it's very soft. Oh,
Awesome.
it's got a little bottle.
Get a little
And
bottle.
this is like squishy Play-Doh. Yeah. So we don't want to open that.
Play-Doh?
Yes. They come with these are so cute stickers.
Yeah, those are cool stickers. So overall, if you had to grade it, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, what do you give it?
10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10. All right.
Oh, let me see what.
And that was about
$14.
$14.50 or something like that. I think that's well worth
I
it.
think it was like 97 cents.
Yeah. So about 15
Oh,
bucks.
what my name is?
Oh, what is
Booney.
what is the name of? Oh, that's cute.
Booney.
What's the name of yours, Callie?
Booney. And yours is
CalCal.
Mulu. Booney and hers is Mulu.
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 That's cute.
Oh, and their eyes glow in the dark.
Oh,
It's
they do?
Bonnie.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Bonnie.
Oh, it's Bonnie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the real name? Awesome.
Bonnie. Put the batteries in it and you turn it on the bottom and you pet it, it purrs.
All right, we'll find out what kind of batteries we need.
AAA batteries.
All right, cool. They want me to fill it. Ooh, it's very soft. Very soft. Yeah, it's almost like a real kitty cat.
Drink.
Thank
You
you.
can get these at Walmart.
This is my seltzer. Walmart, you said, and they were for like almost 15 bucks, right? Awesome. All right, let's go on to toy number 2. All right, CalCal, what is your second toy?
a squishmallow. And it's a dragon and it flips inside out. And the dragon's name is Devin.
It's Devin, and how much was that? That was like 15 bucks, wasn't it? All right,
And
awesome.
It's time to flip it.
All right, let's see what it looks like when you flip it.
Put your hand in. These are kind of hard. You can just rubber things in. I'm really good at putting these in because I have 1,000 of these at home. Whoa.
Oh,
What
that
does
looks so
turn
cool.
into? It turns into a unicorn. Wow.
It turns into what?
A unicorn.
A unicorn?
A dragon to a unicorn.
I want to see the unicorn. I'm excited.
She's stuffing it.
Is it soft?
Yes, it's so
That's
soft.
cool. And it's Devin? Both the names are Devin?
Mm-mm.
What's the name of the unicorn?
It starts with an S, doesn't it? Here, let me just put it close up. Do you know what this name is, guys?
Esmeralda? Esmeralda. That sounds about right with me. Well, let's see it. Can you hold it up so we can see it?
This. And these are both what it looks like. This unicorn and this dragon.
Let me see the unicorn. Ooh, it looks cute. Okay, all right. All right, CanCan, what are you what are you showing us your second toy?
So this is my panda unicorn. It has little cute shiny wings and it's a panda. Its name is Tyree. This is Tyree.
Tyree. Is it soft?
It's very soft.
And how much was that? That was
This was only $5.
$5 for that? That's
Yes.
awesome. All right, can you bring
It's
it up
so
close? Let's see. Get a good look at it. What was the name?
Tyree.
Oh, it's
And
cute.
this is also from Walmart.
All right,
Walmart.
that's from Walmart as well. All right.
Everything we will be interviewing today will be at Walmart.
You're going to interview them?
Yes, interview.
Awesome. All right, let's go to the second toy. All right, Kelly, what's the second thing you're showing, or the third thing you're showing us?
This is AFMAL. I have two of these, so I'm going to open this.
What's it called? Hold on, let me look at it. It's called an AFMAL. AFMAL.
Make sure you watch her channel. It's called AFMAL.
Okay. All right, let's see. And you let me know how hard it is to open a box, too.
It's not that hard.
Oh, cool. That's pretty easy. Oh.
I got a little mermaid. So cute.
It is very cute.
See. Oh, it's on the front of the cover.
What, the name?
No, the little mermaid. It's called Mermaid Cat.
Mermaid cat? Can you bring it up close so we can see it? Is it soft?
It's very soft.
Ooh, that's cute. All righty. Okay. All right, Candace, what's the third thing you're showing us?
This is a reversible squishmallow. It is a little peach, and the peach's name is Okay. Let me show you. This is the peach.
Oh, Phyllis.
Phyllis. And it turns into an orange.
And what is it? It's a peach right now?
Right now it's a peach.
All right, let's see.
Peaches.
Guys,
Flip it.
You guys got all your trash on the ground and the floor from the Walmart visit.
Yes.
It's okay. We will clean it up
We are
after.
so excited to get this. Let's flip it. Let's see what it turns into from Walmart.
Are you making a face, Callie, like you always do? Your classic face.
It turns into an orange.
Ooh, look at that. And the orange name's what,
orange's
Celia or
name
something?
Yes, Scylla.
Is it soft?
It's so soft.
Awesome. All right, girls, you're both of the ones you just showed out of 10, 1 out of 10, what would you give it?
10.
Yeah, is that all you do is buy 10s?
Yes.
Callie making her face. All right, what's the fourth thing you're showing? Another AFMAL? AFMAL. I think you're saying AFMAC.
I love that mouse.
All right, well, let's see what it looks like.
Meow. Meow, meow. I get one out.
Ooh, look at that. And what's the name of this one?
According to the calculator,
The calculator.
ice cream cat.
Ice cream cat. All right, can we get a close-up of
It
it?
looks like a birthday cake one.
Hold on, let me see the face again. Oh, that is so cute. All right, let's see what your sissy has. All right, CanCan, what is it that you got?
I have a mint ice cream cone, and
And that's a
mint ice cream.
Squishmallow too?
It's squishmallow. And it has chocolate syrup and sprinkles.
Awesome.
The name is Maya. And
Maya.
it turns into something.
What does it turn into?
Let's find out.
Alrighty, let's see.
It turns into a cinnamon bun.
Ooh, a cinnamon bun. What's the name of that one?
The name of this one is
Chanel?
Chanel, yes, Chanel.
All right, Chanel. That's a good name for a cinnamon bun. 1 out of 10, what do you give it?
10.
Callie on your last one. CalCal, 1 out of 10 on your last one.
10.
All right, let's go on to number 5. All right, CalCal, what's number 5?
Aphmau.
You got another Aphmau? All right, and what's this one?
This one is according to the calculator again.
That's the calculator?
Yes.
I think you might want to look up what a calculator is.
No, thank you.
Okay, well, what if you're going to name it? If that might be a different Aphmau.
I think it was a cherry cat.
Cherry cat. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see his face, or her face, or let's see. Okay, let's check out Kansas. All right, CanCan, what's your 5th one?
This is a dog versus squirrels.
Dog versus what?
Squirrels.
Squirrels, okay.
Yes. So, this is Broody. And he really loves to DIY with a bunch. He likes life skills, and he likes watching YouTube videos, and his favorite tool for construction is a socket wrench.
A socket wrench?
Yes.
All right, both of you, what would you rate your last toys?
10.
That's right, because you guys only get 10s. I forgot. All righty.